Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well on this beautiful Sunday morning. I wanted to touch base with you and talk about what's coming next, which is gender. So we spent the week thinking about arousal and how that looks, and even the gendered nature of it in terms of who gets to be aroused and who doesn't. And so we're moving into gender identity, gender roles, and gender differences, and that will unlock at midnight. But I wanted to just show you as we're here together what kinds of things are on here. And there's different pages with different little bits of information. There's a film called Straight Laced that I really want you to watch because it highlights some of the ways in which gender gets us kind of in a bind in terms of like what we can and cannot do. And I just saw a really funny clip on Saturday Night Live, so I'm posting that in this forum. I'm posting that in this announcement as well. So watch it, and then maybe it'll make you laugh. But so yeah, so we're moving on to gender. One of the I think most interesting and probably important subjects that we cover in this class. So I look forward to seeing what you have to say about the content and just talks about masculinity and all of that stuff in general. And there's a TED Talk on being done with masculinity that I would suggest you watch. And how if gender neutral items become more popular, because if they become more profitable, is that something that we'll move towards? So interesting stuff. How does capitalism relate to gender? I think is an interesting thing to think about. So anyways, I hope you all are well. See you on the forums.